In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make whipped body butter with all organic ingredients. Alright, so here's the supplies list. The electric hand mixer will be listed in the description box, as well as all of these ingredients that I got off of Amazon, excluding the peppermint oil, which I bought from, I think I want to say either my grocery store or maybe my beauty supply store. I'm not sure. To get things going, I have my water over there boiling about on medium heat. And then I put the little cake pan on top for my double boiler. I'm taking some organic cocoa butter and some organic unrefined shea butter, and I'm gonna chop it up, and I'm gonna measure out about a cup of each, and then I'm just gonna throw it over there in my double boiler. Y'all, just so y'all know, like my mom, she has eczema, and she uses this on her skin. It makes her feel better, like when she goes to like having those little itching spells and stuff like that. And then me being pregnant, I use it on my stomach, and I also use it in the baby's hair, and of course like on our skin and stuff. But yeah, it's like really, I like it. I like the way it smells. It just makes me, I don't know, I just be feeling like I be in touch with my roots when I be smelling like shea butter, you feel me? So I really like this stuff a lot. Okay, but right now I'm just gonna go ahead and add 1/3 cup coconut oil, and then I know I'm gonna come through with the avocado oil, the castor oil, jojoba oil, and the almond oil. About 1 tablespoon, and then I'll just mix everything together. And I also add a few drops of rosemary. Nothing too crazy because that stuff is like extremely potent. Once it's all together, I'm just gonna pour it into a glass bowl. I could have used this originally for my double boiler, but I wasn't thinking. But yeah, I'm just gonna get as much from my pan as I can, and then I'm gonna place this bowl in the freezer and let it sit for about an hour, and take a peek and see how it's doing. If you look closely, it's starting to get hard. I don't want it all the way hard, but you see how it's kind of like gooey still. I know I actually end up scraping everything so it's loose and not sticking to the bowl, and then I stick it back in the pan back in the freezer for an additional 30 minutes, which might have actually been too long, but we made it do what it did. Okay, so I'm about to have it all scraped up, and then I put it back in the freezer, and right here is when I pulled it back out, I think. Yeah, I pulled it back out, and you see the difference, like how it looks now. It's actually like a little too hard, but Maya was asleep right now, so I was trying to, use my time wisely. So I went ahead and just tried to make it work, and I'm gonna go through with the hand mixer and fight the good fight. Y'all, go follow me on my social media. My Instagram is kk.forever_. At this point, I'll actually follow you back if you follow me. I'm super curious to see who's been watching my videos. And then my Snapchat is always kkx. and I'm way more active on there than I happen to be on my Instagram. Y'all, I was literally fighting with this hand mixer for like, I was literally mixing this mixture up for like 30 minutes. No cap. Like, I wish I had one of those you know, the bowl thing that you pull out and then it does it itself. Like, I'm definitely gonna have to invest in one of those. But yeah. Alright, so now you can finally see that the texture of the mixture is starting to change. It's looking more like some cake batter, which is a good sign. It's definitely how you want it. And you're just going to keep going and going and going and going and going until it gets like kind of like fluffy and soft all over. Right now I'm going to go ahead and add my essential oil, which is peppermint oil. And yep, just continue to mix it up. Alright, so now that I've been mixing it for like 20 something minutes, it's finally got that fluffy, airy vibe that I want it to have. Like I think I'm about to go ahead and call it quits. Just gonna bring it all together and put it in the ceramic jar. I found that at Walmart and I actually think it's pretty cute or whatever. If I was trying to be cute, I could have used you know, the little piping bag and made it all like pretty and stuff, but I didn't. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I make my body butter, using these organic items that I found on Amazon. And yeah, if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. Be sure to subscribe, and everything that I used will be in the description box down below. Thanks you guys so much for watching my video. Appreciate it.